What are the different learning styles? Why is it important to know yours? Listen to this conversation and learn about the different learner types.
Hey, what are you studying?
I'm studying for my anatomy class.
Your drawings look really good.
Thanks. I'm a visual learner, so diagrams are helpful for me when I'm studying.
That makes sense. I wonder what type of learner I am. I don't use diagrams so much, but I like writing a lot of notes and reading them to study.
It sounds like you might be a verbal learner. You understand and explain ideas through reading, writing, and speaking.
Interesting. What other types of learners are there?
There are also auditory, logical and mathematical, and kinesthetic or physical learners. No type is better than any other. Different types of learners just prefer different activities or strategies to learn.
Students learn in different ways. There are several different types of learners. They include auditory, visual, verbal, logical, and kinesthetic learners. Auditory learners like to learn by hearing. Visual learners like to learn by seeing. Verbal learners like to learn by reading, writing, and speaking. Logical and mathematical learners appreciate logic and systems. And kinesthetic or physical learners like to learn by doing. It is important for students and their teachers to know their learning styles. This way, they know which learning activities and strategies work best for them. For example, physical learners might benefit from models that they can interact with, and auditory learners might benefit from hearing spoken instructions. What type of learner are you? This is American English. Thank you for watching.